Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join the Halloween Haunt event on Dress to Impress. So put on an outfit. I think the first two themes are, well, Creature was the one yesterday and today is Cute, but you can still submit to either of the themes. So just put it on first. I already have mine here. That's a devil. And once you're done putting on your outfit, find like a place to like take pictures in at. So the background looks better. I usually like going out here because it's just awesome. And like find spots for your outfits. For instance, this double one, I'm just trying to pick a darker spot, like maybe here. Well, that's a little bit too dark. Maybe like here. Like near the volcano and stuff like this. Maybe like, okay, here. Then once you find your spot, you're just going to take a picture using this camera icon. And then there's going to be submit to hunt. I already like submitted it. And you're going to pick the category you want this outfit to be in. And yeah, that is it. Make sure you upload every single day. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.